Kampeni za Major General Mugisha Muntu muri Acholi yazitangiwe mu district ya Lamu aho imyeto n'abakazo mugombora ya Parabeka Car bayoreko kwetombo itahabo boro oburu kubateganza. Muntu kuyarga Parabeka Car yazo mu Padibe Town Council kandoko bamwachiro mani nko kumworeko ko ruguto rwabo orukuruga Padebe kuzakitugum rumazire myaka rukurenga 20 rutakozurwe na nuko kubaragansa kwija kurukora kwa rabe president.
Don't worry about it. He was here. When was he here?
Better we can. 27.
27 last month. I suspect he promised this road again. Did he or did he not? This time he did. I think he must have felt shy this time.
Montario Mulamu yashaba abanya-Uganda bona okumwegitaho kumuhakaruru abasekurwanso burwenguzi obutekere mushecho mu ihanga.
Integrity, men and women who believe in zero tolerance to corruption, who believe in justice, who believe in equality before the law, and as a team they start investing national resources in all those areas I've talked about.
General Muntu kuyarugalamu yaza kitugum aho yaraganisa koragana n'abantu bayo okutungure cyanga cyabo.
Lift them up, because when you lift up women, you lift up youth, you have basically lifted up the majority of the people.
Kombero watege percent pambege mara wa Pierre Beach we are ko watege bulu mapol chaka mara Pierre de we bijo dugo pin and to care getila pin and miro ke dot matek me yilu care pambege o chet maro bulu ke yilu care pambege o chet pere maro.
And also deal with the other special interest groups, people living with disabilities, the elderly and the pensioners. Ensure that people who have worked for government, whether in the army, police, civil service, they get their pensions without it being stolen as it is being done there in Kampala.
Mugisha Muntu nyencha karena asibu mu Padel na Agago gasha kwa Ram Edwin.